Perfect. Got it. Got the camera set already. Hopefully I don't bump the chair like I did in one video. Okay, good. Oh, wait. I'm pretty sure that one was already deleted. Oh, yep. It was. Now I'm all pissy again. Okay, this is going up pretty well, actually. Just need to speed run more. Curse not having enough stamina. Wait, let's see if I can set something. No. Something called options. Use amiibo. Don't use... Did I already... Oh, I already have amiibo set on here. Okay. Good. Seriously, Zamus. Greninja. Okay, now this is gonna be a lot of new stuff for this one. So basically, you're just gonna hear this a lot until later in the game. Then you won't basically hear it at all anymore. Luigi. Sorry, just okay. DK. Shulk. Yeah, I have a game called Xenoblade Chronicles that my brother loves absolutely a lot, so I told him I'll actually play it on the channel, so I will finish the game finally. Because I never finished Xenoblade Chronicles, so it's going to be, like, fairly new to me. And he'll be there to help me with it, probably, hopefully. Ooh, fortified pumpkin. Sapphire. Oh, thank you. I'm pissed. I don't need a sapphire. Oh, no, you see Link on the screen? Yep, I'm right. Okay. Okay, no, stop, please. No, stop. Wait, that was my first time getting an apple? Weird. Traveler, so I will take it. I will easily 100% take that. But there's one more thing. I will 100% have this guy with me. Ooh, there's an apple. There's an apple. Oh, spicy pepper. What? Oh, why? Okay, what? Ouch, 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 ouch. That actually hurt a lot. I don't really need this stuff. Okay, yep, Wolf, you're gonna basically kill all those guys for me. No, no. Attack that one. Attack that one. No, just attack any of them. Kill them. Wolf Link, you could be a lot better than this. You are a lot better than this. Ouch. Wolf Link, just kill that one. Ooh, thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. No, run, 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 run. Attack him more. Thank you. Now, Wolf Link, I will heal you. Just don't get hurt anymore. Hold. And then drop. And then I'll eat myself. I'll eat with this thing. Okay, now eat that and let's go. Oh god. You know what? No, I'm not even gonna bother with those. Wolf Link, you can like bother with them. I'm not gonna bother them. I don't care if they hear me. I'm go. No, dude. Okay, just do whatever you want. If you get hurt, it's not my fault. I believe you could take him down, I'm gonna be watching. Ouch! Jesus Christ! Ow! Ow! No. Hi. I'm just recording my wolf killing stuff.
What?
Give me that. Mine, 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 mine. Yes! I love you, wolf. But you're not gonna get healed yet, because you basically didn't kill them fast enough. You didn't kill them fast enough for my liking, so you're not gonna get healed. But I want this butterfly. Butterfly. Fine. Fine. Be that way. I don't care. I'm gonna go cry now. I kid, I'm not. But I'll be showing where to get all memories because of Austin John. He will help me with everything. He'll help me remind me where all the stuff is. Oh, I almost got hurt. Great, that would have been perfect. I'm doing so far so good without dying. You sneak past that, dude. I'm trying not... Wolf Link, if you make too much noise and you wake him up, I'm gonna be pissed. Pissed. I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be mad at you. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh, he dared. He dared. That's not my fault. You did that on your own, Wolf Link. You did that on your own. Now it's awake and alive. Oh God. Well, this walkthrough was fun. I'm never gonna get out of here. No. I have this thing. Yay, Volko Shield. And remember, their arms are actually really powerful for me right now. And he has a Traveler Sword. I will easily take that over my something I have here. I'll drop this. Oh God, why, Wolf Link?
He did that on his own. That was his own fault. He could have actually easily dodged that if he just dashed away, but nope.
He had to get hit.
And since double damage is occurring here, that's gonna kill anything.
Well, not anything. Just wait, I know how to upgrade my Champion's Tunic really quickly. Actually, wait. Do I need vinyl stuff for the Champion's Tunic? Because if I do, I'm not going to upgrade that quickly. Yeah, I can finish this in about 3 minutes. Yep. Go, 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 go! And once you realize that takes forever... Since I have my map now, not like the other time, I can actually get this done pretty simply. I'm still in my pajamas. No, not that. No, no, put that away, Link. Link, thank you. Yep. I thought it recharges faster than that. Traveler's Claymore. I need that, so I'm gonna drop my arm, because I think that has a little bit lower durability than the Boko thing. I don't know, correct me in the comments, sorry. Okay, almost done with this already. Get this chest way over here. No, don't jump by yourself. Oh wait, stand right here. There we go, perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this before like time runs out. I hate that I only have like 15 minutes to do everything. And I don't have an editing station, so that means I have to have a timer and everything, and I can't just cut everything out. Come on, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go. That was the wrong button. And detonate. Okay, everything's done. Let's get our shrine orb. I'll show what it looks like. I'll probably make a reference to the humble noob. Break! No. I'm not going to be reading that. I refuse to read it. I refuse to read it. Oh my god. Oh, that tickled my nips. That's the reference. Because I found that really funny. So I had to say it. I just had to, because I found it funny. Well, dang. That's kind of surprising. I'll basically not be doing, like, any of the, Divine Beast anytime soon. Like, at one point. Soon as we walk out, I'll start the video. I mean, I'll end the video. So, basically, that's gonna be it right now. Let me mark that shrine over there. Okay, done. So, basically, I'm gonna be done for right now and start a new video pretty soon. So, see you all in the next Breath of the Wild video. Bye!